Okay, question time, guys. Does anybody find burps as horribly annoying as I do? I don't know what it is. I know some people just do it in public. I know some people say they're gross, but there's something about burping that gets me. I would much rather the other end come out. You know what I mean. Because at least with that end, you know it's coming. You know that that's where gas comes from. With a mouth, it just blindsides you. That's where we sing. That's where we speak. That's where we make out. And then also this just bubble of gross food comes out of your face, and some people find it so funny. Some people find it so funny. They're just like, "Bah!" And then you're sitting there staring at them like, I can't keep it in. I can't keep it in. I know some people say like better out than in, but no. I just can't. I can't stand it. Something about the sound of burps. I start breaking down. I'm like, why? What made you think that was okay? Oh my god. I don't know, everyone. What do you think? Is it natural, or is it just as gross as I think it is? Weigh in. Let me know. Burping is gross. Ew. Ew.